My lashes look like. My eyelashes don't look bad, they literally look cool, but I just feel like I have to get them done because like there's a couple of days until our trip and then we're gonna be there for like a week, so probably by then I'll have them literally all fallen out. So I literally went to my lash appointment like last week and I'm going again to get them refilled. Also, I'm breaking out so bad, which is so embarrassing, but hopefully we can get this fixed before my birthday because this needs to go. Gosh guys, so I forgot my camera in my room, so I'm using my phone right now, but I literally came in late, woke up really late. I woke up at like 1 o'clock and my appointment is at 2, so I had no time to get ready. Like obviously it's an hour to get ready and everything, but I literally was just laying down in bed and I was like, oh my god. Maybe that's my fault, but like I wasn't gonna make it either way. I didn't have time to do my hair, so don't mind my hair, it looks like a mess. So then I texted her, I was like, can I come in at like 2:30? She was like, okay, 2:40 works for me. So I just got here, it's 2:22. I'm pretty sure she's like busy because she said like 2:40 is better for her, so maybe that's like something. This is what my nails look like right now. They literally need to be fixed. Like this is not okay. So I'm gonna be fixing that. This is my birthday nail, so I'm probably gonna get pink. I'm gonna look for inspo for my nails because I have no idea what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna look for inspo. It's currently the next day and I forgot to show you guys my nails and how they turned out, which I'm obsessed about. They are literally the cutest thing ever. Like I got the pink and like the glitter around it and I saw this on Pinterest, so I'll put the picture up for you guys to get some inspo if you guys ever want to do this for your birthday nails or for like whatever, because they're literally so adorable. My mom was like, this is giving birthday vibes, like straight up birthday vibes. I'm really happy about my nails, and then my eyelashes are so cute too. They look so good. I got so many compliments yesterday. I went to Starbucks and I went to the nail salon and both of the people that saw me complimented on my eyelashes and they're like, are you wearing eyeliner? And I was like, no. So I'm gonna tell you guys how I ask for my eyelashes when I get them done. So I ask for hybrids and cat eyes. So that's the reason why there's more like longer eyelashes on the ends, because it gives like the cat eye look, which is what I like because I think it looks good on my eye shape. And some people look different. Like some people get like the whole doll eye, and I tried that once and it did not look good on me, so I just stick with the cat eye. It also looks a little bit too much, but I feel like it's like the perfect amount because like by my birthday it's probably gonna be all fallen out. Like not all of it, but like it'll look good because some of it is fallen out and like more of them are like more spread out, which is what I like. Sit like this. I'm literally sitting on my knees on the floor right now because I have no other place to put you guys where it could be like higher. Like I've tried so many things. I put this like hair mask on top of like this conditioner to make it higher, but it's not high enough. Like I just look awkward just standing like this and just like. So today's the day where I'm gonna do some at-home things to make me glow up. This is some things that you could do. You literally don't even have to go out and like go do a facial or your eyelashes done, whatever. This is like some little things that you can do to glow up, and it doesn't have to be your birthday. My gosh. When I tell you guys that this whole video I've dropped my camera like so many times, I think this camera just literally doesn't want me to film. I'm gonna be washing my eyelash extensions because it's been 2 days and I just need to wash it. I'm gonna be cleaning the hair extensions because I do have a hair extensions and I'm gonna be using it for my birthday, so I want to have this washed, and I haven't used it in so long. Like I'm telling you guys, it's been so long since I've been. I'm gonna first start off with doing a hair mask in my hair, just washing my hair because I just finished working out and I just feel so gross. My hair is like greasy. It's really nasty. Like we need a wash. I'm gonna be using this shampoo by Purology. I just recently bought it and I didn't like it like the last time I washed my hair as much because it just didn't make my hair look hydrated at all. Like it was so dry on the ends. I don't know what it is. Like I don't straighten my hair as often and it's so weird because my other shampoo and conditioner doesn't do that. I'm gonna try this again and we'll see how this goes. I have this lamp here. I have my sunset lamp lamp on like the pink setting because this is just so aesthetic and like birthday. It's just giving the birthday vibes, you know? Anyways, I'm so excited. I've been excited like this whole video of just like glowing up. Like you don't have to glow up, but like this is just so much fun because it's just like little steps until like I get to my birthday and I feel like super clean and like confident all for my birthday. So it's just really helpful doing these like little things to get me prepared for my birthday. Shower and I am gonna be doing like a lash shampoo cleanse because I definitely need to wash my lashes. Like I definitely need to get that clean so that like no oil is stuck on my lashes and it doesn't like fall off faster for my birthday. And then I'm also gonna use this for my skin. It's just like a exfoliating glove, and then I just put cleanser on it and I just use this on my nose to get rid of like clogged pores. Wash my hair extensions now. I use this shampoo just by Joy. My mom actually bought this from Marshalls, so it's like a lot cheaper than it is because this is like expensive, and this is what my hairdresser uses, so I like really like it. So I usually leave the hair extensions in like a little makeup bag. I have this one from Pink, and these hair extensions are from Amazon. These are actually really good. Like they match my hair color really well because they have like the caramel highlights on it, and it's really good. As you guys can tell, oh my god, that looks gross. As you guys can tell, this looks nasty. Like it's so greasy, it's so disgusting. It's been in there for like months now. I think actually like 2 months. So I just have to wash all of these because I do want to wear them from like my birthday or something. I don't know. I just want to have them prepared and all clean. So yeah, that's basically what I do to clean them. I just wash them first. I put the shampoo and I put the conditioner. Leave in the shampoo for like a minute or two. And same goes for the conditioner. And then I put the keratin serum that I do on my hair. So it's basically what I do with my hair, except today I use the hair mask and I use like a different type of shampoo and conditioner. I'm always going to stick to the same shampoo and conditioner when it comes to my hair extensions because I don't want to switch it up and like ruin the hair extensions. I don't know much about hair extensions. Like I'm not like a pro at this. But yeah, we're just gonna do this really fast so that I can get this done because this is literally such a hassle. Like you have to have patience when you're cleaning these hair extensions because it's not easy. And you guys are probably wondering like, why don't you just go to the hair salon and get hair extensions? I personally don't want to ruin my hair because I know that you have to style it so much. So like having these hair clip extensions in are just so much easier because you can use it whenever you want to style your hair. And currently I'm trying to grow my hair because my hair is just dead at this point. It's just like really dry from dyeing my hair so much. So I just want to take care of my hair from now on. And I haven't dyed my hair in like 10 months. That's a long time and I want to keep it that way, but recently I've been thinking about dyeing my hair, but we're not going to talk about that. That's not the point. I'm just going to wash this and have this done and then let it air dry. You never want to use heat, like blow dry it. I just like air drying it. It's way better. Basically, I'm gonna do a face mask right now. I have this face mask that I recently bought and it's from, I believe, Target, and it has hyaluronic acid which helps reduce redness from breakouts, and it also has another type of acid that unclogs pores. So this seems really good. I actually used it last night. So I felt like my skin was super soft and it just felt really nice on my skin. So we're gonna try this out. My skin has been breaking out so much, so I just really need to get this working. I just put a hoodie on because I'm freezing. My room is super cold. I live in Florida, so I'm pretty sure if you know about Florida, it's always hot no matter what. Like it's always hot, but right now it's in the season of just like climate change, so it's just like freezing, like in the 30s, which is so weird because it's like never that cold. It's always like in the 90s, 100 possibly sometimes. I did it. I don't even have a mirror right now. Oh my god. Okay, here's the look. Here's the end of the glow up, guys. How do I look? I'm gonna leave this in for like 10 minutes. This one doesn't tell you how long you're supposed to leave this on your skin for, so I'm just gonna leave it for 10 minutes. Usually it's just 10 minutes for a face mask. I don't know what I'm gonna do for now. Okay, so wow. While I wait, I'm going to write a list of things that I want to bring for my trip because I am packing for a trip. Like, if you guys didn't know, I am going on a trip for my birthday and for New Year's. My birthday's on New Year's, but anyway. I'm basically traveling to PA, which is where my boyfriend lives. I look insane right now. I feel like I shouldn't even be talking. So I have to pack cold clothes, coats, lots of leggings, jeans, sweatpants, you know, anything that will keep me warm. I'm gonna make a list on Notion of things I have to bring for my trip. So then whenever I am like packing and finished packing, I'll have like a list of like things I can check off and make sure that I got everything. All right, so here's what this looks like. I'm gonna call this packing list. So I'm just gonna click the add button and I'm gonna click the to-do list. So on the top of it, I'm gonna name like beauty or clothes or coats or whatever. So I'm gonna do beauty stuff and add like makeup bag, hair extensions, skincare, toothbrush, because I sometimes forget this, surprisingly, and toothpaste. Oh my gosh, I have to add toothpaste. Makeup remover. I don't know how many times I forgot about this and I have to use my mom's and I feel so bad. Okay, I'm just gonna finish doing this and then I will check back with you guys when I have this done with my face. What were you putting there? Yuck. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of my skincare right now. I'm gonna do just like moisturizer, use the serum that I usually use, just literally the basic little things that I always do. First thing I'm gonna use is this whipped cream by Drunk Elephant. This is actually really good and I love the way they made this application. Then I'm going to be using this moisturizer by Glossier. And I'm going to use this Olay serum, which is like a glue stick and it's like so refreshing on my skin. I don't know what it is about this. I don't even know how I found this, but I recommend it. Just put this like literally all over my face. Things that I just took out of my closet that I think I'm gonna pack in my suitcase, but other than that I have like absolutely no clue what I'm gonna bring. Actually no, I did do that list like the other day, but I also just need to start putting things in my luggage and everything because we are leaving tomorrow and I'm just like, I'm the person that will literally do everything last minute and I will be the person that will overpack. So that means it takes me about like 3 or 4 hours to pack. I'm not even kidding because I get so distracted and I literally don't even know what I'm doing half of the time or like what I'm bringing because like I bring over the limit. Like my luggages are the most in the back of the car. Like I just bring too much, but this time we're gonna be going to somewhere that's cold, that snows, that's just cold. So I just need to pack a bunch of like coats, long sleeves that I need to pack for like layering. If you guys didn't know, we are going to New York, so I just have to pack cold things because that's literally such a cold place during this time. And like I'm going for my birthday for New Year's and it's like if we're gonna watch the ball drop, I have to have a lot of warm clothing. My room is such a big mess right now, but we have this luggage that I'm gonna bring with me and then I have this small little luggage that I got for Christmas this year. I asked for this like pink luggage, but it's so small. It's like one of those carry-on bags that you bring on the airport. So then I'm gonna bring this one that I always bring that's like big enough for me to put everything in, like my coats and stuff. And I don't know what I'm gonna put in that one. Probably like shoes because I have a lot of shoes that I'm gonna bring. And then I got socks for Christmas too. And then I got more socks. And these are like the thermal socks. So these are gonna be coming in handy for the cold. And then this is also part of the luggage that I got. Like it came in with 3. So there's this one that I'm probably gonna put my computer and all of the electronic stuffs in here. And then I'm gonna bring this one, which is the little small one that I'm probably gonna just put like charger stuff in here. I have no clue yet, but I do need a place to put like all my chargers and stuff. But yeah, that was like a mini little what I got for Christmas. I also got an iPad and I am gonna be bringing that on the trip because it's gonna be like a 20-hour car drive. I can watch Netflix, I can play games or whatever. I've been recently playing games. I'm not gonna lie, like I'm gonna be straight up honest with you guys. I've been playing piano tiles. This has had nothing to do with packing. Okay, so here are a couple of coats that I'm gonna bring in the big bag because I definitely do need space. So, or I could just put it in the smaller one, like the pink one. I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but these are a couple coats I just want to show you guys. So we have this option. I got this off of Depop, and isn't this like the cutest thing ever? There's like pink in it, and it's like very soft, super good material for like the cold. There's a little pocket, and then it's just like fully white on the outside. I'm definitely gonna bring this because I bought this for this trip. Then I also am bringing this white one. So like, should I bring this other one? Is it overpacking? This is what I mean by overpacking. packing. And then I have this black one, which I'm definitely gonna bring because I do want a black one and a white one. And I love this puffer jacket. It's the North Face one, and it just like warms me up so much. So I'm definitely gonna be bringing this one. I have like other little coats, but I think those are the 3 ones that I want to bring like really badly. I just can't decide between like the 2 white ones. And I bought these leg warmers. I haven't opened them yet, but they're like really big, chunky. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but like you wear with the Uggs. I'm gonna start packing now, and I'm gonna keep throwing things out of my closet of things that I just like want to bring to the trip. So let's start now.